Did you know getting started with Cirrus Insight is a snap? Here's how to install the sidebar on Outlook and Gmail. First, let's navigate to the Cirrus Insight website. Then, we're going to go ahead and click the 14-day free trial. Then we're going to enter our first name, our email, and our company name, and select Start Free Trial. Then, if this is your first time setting up a free trial, you'll be prompted to answer a few more questions on screen, and then you'll be navigated to home.cirrusinsight.com. From here, we're going to select which version of the sidebar we'd like to install. We have the Office add-in, Outlook for Mac, and the Gmail Chrome extension. Because I use Gmail, let's go ahead and select the Gmail Chrome extension. We'll then be taken to this page where we have the option to add the Cirrus Insight for Gmail extension to Chrome. Go ahead and click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension, and then the Cirrus Insight extension will pop up here. It has now been added to our Chrome. Now, we can go ahead and navigate to our Gmail inbox and see that we have the Chrome extension and the Gmail sidebar added right here to our taskbar within Gmail. Go ahead and select that, log in if you need to, and get started using Cirrus Insight today.